Welcome to Auto Updateatar. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Chevrolet Express, a versatile and reliable van that continues to impress with its performance, technology, and comfort. Whether you're using it for business, family trips, or just need a dependable workhorse, the Chevrolet Express remains a solid choice in the full-size van category. The 2025 Chevrolet Express comes with a choice of two powerful engine options. The standard 4.3-liter V6 engine offers a balanced mix of power and fuel efficiency, making it ideal for everyday driving and light-duty hauling. For those who need more muscle, the available 6.6-liter V8 engine provides exceptional towing capacity and acceleration, ensuring that the van can handle even the heaviest loads with ease. Both engines are paired with a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, which enhances the driving experience and ensures that the van is responsive on the road. Inside, the 2025 Express continues to focus on practicality and comfort. The cabin is spacious, with seating for up to 15 passengers in the extended configuration. The seats are designed for long-term comfort, with ample legroom and headroom for passengers of all sizes. The interior also offers a variety of storage options, from overhead compartments to under-seat bins, ensuring that you have space for all your gear. Technology has been updated in the 2025 model, with Chevrolet offering a suite of modern features that improve both convenience and safety. The Chevrolet Infotainment 3 system comes standard with a 7-inch touchscreen display, Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. This system allows you to stay connected while on the go, with easy access to your favorite apps, music, and navigation. For those who need more advanced technology, the available 8-inch display offers additional features, including enhanced voice recognition and navigation. Safety is a top priority for Chevrolet, and the 2025 Express is equipped with a range of safety features to keep you and your passengers protected. Standard features include a rear-view camera, stability control, and front and side impact airbags. Additionally, the available driver confidence package includes advanced safety technologies such as forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and rear park assist. These features help prevent accidents and ensure that the Express is as safe as it is reliable. When it comes to towing, the 2025 Chevrolet Express excels. The V8 engine option provides a maximum towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds, making it perfect for hauling trailers, boats, or other heavy loads. Whether you're using the van for work or leisure, you can count on the Express to get the job done without breaking a sweat. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevrolet Express continues to be a top contender in the full-size van market. With its powerful engine options, spacious interior, advanced technology, and safety features, it's an excellent choice for those who need a dependable vehicle for both work and play. If you're looking for a van that combines performance, practicality, and comfort, the Chevrolet Express is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to subscribe to Auto Updateatar for more updates on the latest vehicles and automotive news.